Hello everyone, my name is Deja Crossman. Today, I'll be sharing an overview of the Nature Conservancy, a global leader in environmental conservation. We'll explore its mission, history, strategies, impact, and specifically take a look at what the Florida chapter is doing to protect our ecosystem. Nature's Conservancy's mission is simple but powerful: to conserve the land and waters on which all life depends. They work across multiple environmental challenges, from preserving biodiversity and addressing climate change to promote sustainable farming, clean water access, and marine conservation. Their efforts are rooted in science and community collaboration. The organization was founded in 1951 and originally grew out of a group called the Ecologists Union. Since then, it's expanded from global land protection efforts in the US to operating in over 70 countries. Today, the Nature Conservancy has helped conserve 125 million acres of land worldwide, making it one of the most effective conservation nonprofits in the world. What sets the Nature Conservancy apart is its broad and strategic approach. They protect land through direct purchase or conservation easements, advocating for environmental policies, and relying on cutting-edge ecological research. They also build strong partnerships with indigenous communities, local stakeholders, and even private businesses. Another key strategy in tackling climate change through reforestation and carbon storage in soils. Numbers tell a powerful story. With more than 125 million acres protected, 5,000 plus marine and freshwater projects, and leadership in climate mitigation efforts, the Nature Conservancy has become a model for science-based, scalable conservation. Their programs span continents, from restoring coral reefs to protecting endangered forests. Floridian, this chapter is the most active in the US. It focuses on restoring coral reefs, preserving freshwater springs, and managing longleaf pine forests. It addresses climate resiliency, especially sea level rise and saltwater intrusion. The Florida chapter works closely with state agencies and local communities to protect the state's unique ecosystem. As a marine science teacher, I think it is very important that my students understand what is available, what resources are available to them. If you'd like to get involved or learn more, you can visit their website at nature.org. They offer volunteer and research opportunities and plenty of educational resources. You can also support their work through donations and advocacy. The site includes maps and data, tools that let you explore conservation projects around the world. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Have a great day.